Class example 5. Up until now we've only been using our marquee tool for selection. Now we're going to go into our lasso tool, and in fact we're going to use the magnetic lasso tool. First things first, Control J. Right, here we have the layer. The magnetic lasso tool is the third tool down and our third option. Alright, if we push cap locks, you'll see it changes to a little crosshair. This instant it is more accurate and easier to work with. I'm going to zoom in a little bit at the bottom of the document here. We want to now cut out the tulip. So we have a starting point, we click and we just run up. Where it changes color, we can click just to make another little node, and up we go. You see how nicely it follows. It's only where the color changes, it's got to now read the new colors where we can physically click. Never fear if we make a mistake. Let's just make one quickly somewhere along the line. There we go. Now we wanted to go back, we should have gone up. So we just press backspace and that deletes that node. And now we will climb up this one here. And I'm going to run a little bit faster now for time. Up we go, come all the way down, and the more time you spend on it and the more accurately, the slower you go, the more accurate it becomes. And notice when we come to close it, it makes that little circle, otherwise you can press enter. And by the marching ants now you can see that we have selected just the tulip. Control J, let's have a look. There we have our tulip all by itself. We go back with the iron and activate the layer below, and now we're going to desaturate that. The shortcut is Control U for our hue and saturation. Remember the long way around was image adjustments, hue and saturation. We'll simply desaturate. Okay, and look at the dynamics of that image. Fairly straightforward, but a new selection method now. Practice it and you will perfect it, and it makes life very easy and gives you so many more options in Photoshop. Thank you.